Welcome to JustTracking.net, your ultimate freight load board. Easily book loads from over 100,000 daily listings with all the necessary filters to find the right load quickly. You can save searches for future use, and the system refreshes constantly to prevent duplicates, keeping everything under control. There's also an auto-refresh button on the load board that you can set up, so you don't have to refresh it manually. This feature ensures you're always seeing the most up-to-date loads as new ones appear. Clicking on any load opens a detailed pop-up with all the information you need. When viewing a load's details, you'll also notice a Not Available button. If a load is no longer available according to the customer, tap that button. After a few reports from users, the load will be automatically removed from listings. You can also add a comment about the load, sharing helpful feedback or information for other users to see, ensuring greater transparency and collaboration across the platform. After booking and providing your rate confirmation, you can create a trip directly from the load as a draft in your trip section. Edit trips, add load numbers, addresses, and learn more in our step-by-step trips tutorial. And one more thing, wherever you book a load, always verify it with the customer to confirm their legitimacy. While our team performs daily monitoring and verification, we cannot guarantee 100% accuracy of all posted information. JustTracking.net makes booking and managing freight simple, fast, and efficient, with trusted, transparent listings every step of the way.